Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Vaibhav and today we will be looking at the gaming keyboard Cosmic Byte. The model number is CBGK05 Titan and it's a wired gaming keyboard with aluminum body. Okay, there are few, only couple of maybe two features mentioned on this box. One is backlit effect. As you can see in the picture that there is a light in the keyboard, and the second feature is dedicated multimedia keys, which is I see the up, down, left, right arrow keys are showing different symbols. That means those are the multimedia keys. It is also new for me because just one day yesterday I got it delivered from Amazon, and it cost me 1,000 rupees in one of the deal. But that's not the minimum price for this keyboard, because in few deals I mean past I've seen this keyboard for around 850 rupees. But if you are lucky enough, I mean the time you are looking for this keyboard online and the deal is active, you will get it in 850. Anyways, so keyboard is already unboxed. It is out of the box. Okay, there is no driver CD or maybe a manual into this box. It's just a standalone keyboard, and I mean that means it is a plug and play device. That means you can simply plug it to your laptop or maybe PC and it will start working. Anyway, as I mentioned, it comes with the nylon wire, which is a 1.5 meter wire, I believe. Yes, and it feels really a good quality. The benefit of nylon coated wire is, the normal plastic or maybe the rubber coated wires are tend to be get damaged easily. So there are a lot of factors which affects the rubber and or the plastic, like your temperature, your humidity also it affects. Okay, so those are the things, or maybe even if it gets stuck into some corners, the plastic or maybe the rubber, there's a chances of breakage of those wires. Anyway, so this is a wire and it looks very good. 1.5 meter wire. It comes with silver coated USB. So without wasting much time, I mean we'll have a look at this keyboard. It looks right now, it looks very simple keyboard. I mean there are few keyboards in market for Dell or maybe Lenovo. I don't remember the exact brand, but those look same. I believe Dell. Yeah, looks same. But those are plastic body. I have seen them. I have filled them. I have lifted them. In fact, but this is. I mean, if you see the weight of this, I mean, keyboard is pretty much high compared to the normal keyboard. Normal keyboard is the plastic keyboards which we regularly use for office work basically. All right. So this is a gaming keyboard, but guys, I'm not a professional gamer, so I'm gonna use this keyboard only for my office work. If in future, if I mean plan that, I mean those are my dreams, to have a proper studio or maybe the gaming console at my desk, and I can start playing the game the way I used to play at my college time. But anyways, right now the purpose of this keyboard is only for office work, and just to fill or maybe to complete my wish, I bought a gaming keyboard. Alright, so now keyboard is connected to my laptop, and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so still it looks the same as I showed you a couple of minutes back. Only one light is showing, that is numlock. Alright, the beauty of this keyboard is if you press the function key and the page up button here, okay, the function key here, okay, and the page up, you will see what happens. See, you see now, this is the beauty of this keyboard. Okay, so the function key, if you press function key and page up and page down, page up is to activate the lights, and page down is to deactivate the lights. Okay, so there are three 1 2 3 3. Okay, so you can dim the light backlit, and you can adjust as per your need. So this is the off, this is slightly on, this is little bright, and this is the final bright. Okay, now you can see, which is good function. I mean, it looks good. It is a RGB keyboard. I mean, the red, green, and blue lights you can see, that is RGB. Okay, it's beautiful. It looks beautiful. It looks more beautiful when you switch off all the lights of your room, and you can see how it looks. I'm gonna show you. Ooh, it's beauty, right? Yep, pure beauty. If you switch off the lights, I mean, you can see each and every key right now, even in this dark room. You can see each and every room key of this keyboard, and you can work on it even if you don't want to disturb the other roommates or maybe family members in your house, and they want you to switch off the light of your room in the night, for sleeping purpose and all that. But definitely you can see all the keys very clearly. The keys are compared to, I mean, if you compare this keyboard, I'm just switching on the light back. All right, so if you look at if you compare the normal keyboard with this keyboard, you will see the height of these keys are, I mean, a little bit more than the normal keyboard. The height, as in those are these keys are little bit more popped out, and you can, if you once you press it, you can actually feel the keyboard quality. You can actually feel the keyboard quality. That's what I wanted to say. Anyway, okay. So the basic, I mean, the purpose of this keyboard is, as I mentioned, that I just wanted to complete my wish to have the gaming keyboard on my desk. And the beauty, as I showed you, is something attracted me. So there are more, I mean, brands available in the market for gaming keyboard. So now this brand, I'm not sure about the durability of this keyboard, maybe, or the brand, but yes, all the reviews which I've seen on YouTube or maybe on Amazon, in that matter, those looks pretty much convincing for me, and that's how I took the decision to buy this keyboard. All right. The another benefit of this keyboard is to have the beauty under your hand. Yes, I loved it. There are a couple of more models in this brand, Cosmic Byte. Those model gives you the options of changing the light pattern. I mean, right now it's steady light, and there are only you can see green, red, and blue color, which is RGB, as I mentioned. But in other models, you get the options of changing the pattern of the light, maybe, or the in some models the light gets blink. Okay, so disco light, you can say. Moreover, I mean, my wife said when I bought this and when I plugged it first time, and the light goes on for this, my wife said this is a Dinchak keyboard. And yes, it is a Dinchak keyboard, and I just loved it, and I'm using it from last day, and so there is no complaints about any key. I mean, all keys are working fine, everything is working properly. The response of the key is absolutely fine. There is no technical issues, glitch for this keyboard. Though I haven't used the multimedia keys which is mentioned on the box, so I'm just looking to the okay. So these are the multimedia keys. I haven't used it yet, but I'm going to explore it, how it looks and how it works, basically with the multimedia. Apart from that, pretty much all the keys are same which are there on the normal keyboard, traditional keyboard. There is no much difference. Only thing I showed you that the function key and the page up and down works for the backlit effect. There are other models, those have the additional keys for gaming purpose, but this keyboard, particular keyboard, doesn't have any additional key for the gaming purpose. It has all the keys which are there on the traditional keyboard. Do subscribe my channel for more reviews. So I'm not a what you say, promoter for this brand. This is just a genuine review from my side, and again, this is not a complete review, just the information, or maybe the first look, or maybe the first touch of the keyboard, you can say. But I'll definitely planning to do couple of more reviews on other brands, or maybe other things, and I'll come with those reviews very soon. Those will be the reviews, because the plan, the things which are there in my plan for review videos are already in use from long time by me, and I'm sure, I mean, you guys will enjoy those reviews also. So please subscribe my channel, and keep following me, and keep checking the stuff which I am reviewing on this my channel. Thank you so much for giving your time, and good day. Bye bye.